Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you a trick the normal brain. If you know, want to see how long my hair is, right here. That's how long it is. Now let's start. I'm going to use my side to hair. So here. And you want to kind of use it. And I mean, divide it into three sections. Two and one. Okay, so we already divided into three parts, and the middle one, to you want to twist it with the hair and the last, and next the other one, under the middle one, this one is under the middle, under the middle one, and the last one under the middle one, and the right one under the middle one. Just keep going. Left under the middle, right under the middle, left under the middle, middle. So the left will be on the middle. So next is the right, and again. So the right one will become the middle. So the left one is the middle part earlier, and under the middle part is again on the middle part. And the right under, so the right part is on the middle again. And just keep going. Keep going under the right one. So the left one will go under. The left one will be the middle. So this is the right one. And the last part is to put it under. So this is the one you want. And just keep going. And tie your ponytail or your hair elastic. Okay, so we are done. That is how you create a normal breeze on this side. Because it's different. And if you want some suggestions, just leave comment below and search my channel, search bar. And please read it, please read the description below, description bar below, because I put my account on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So please follow, and add a friend. And, and I will be adding more videos about nails, making, or about tutorials. I'm learning the mermaid braid on myself, but I get to it, so maybe I'll do another video on it.